Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you are happy, healthy, and doing wonderful today. Today's topic is very important for every English learner. The topic is how to improve English speaking skills fast. Many people study English for years. They learn grammar, they memorize vocabulary, they read books and watch videos. But still, when they try to speak English, they become nervous, they forget words, they feel shy, and sometimes they cannot speak even simple sentences. Does this happen to you? If your answer is yes, then this video is especially for you. Because today, I will share simple, powerful, and practical ways to improve your English speaking skills fast. And the best part is, you can start today. You can practice at home. And you do not need expensive courses. So now, take a deep breath, relax your mind, and let's begin today's lesson. Why speaking English feels difficult. First, let's understand something important. Speaking English is a skill, and every skill improves with practice. For example, if you want to learn swimming, you must enter the water. If you want to learn cycling, you must ride a bicycle. In the same way, if you want to speak English fluently, you must speak English regularly. Many learners only read and listen, but they do not practice speaking. That is the biggest reason they improve slowly. Remember this powerful sentence. English speaking improves by speaking, not by fear, not by overthinking, but by practice. Step 1. Start thinking in English. This is one of the fastest methods to improve speaking. Most learners first think in their native language, then translate into English. This process takes time, and during speaking, it creates confusion. So instead of translating, start thinking directly in English. At first, it may feel difficult, but slowly, for example, when you wake up in the morning, think, I need to wash my face. I am feeling sleepy. Today I will practice English. I need to eat breakfast. Simple thoughts. Simple English. But this small habit can change your speaking skill dramatically. Even while walking, cooking, studying, or traveling, try to think in English. Your brain will slowly become comfortable with the language. And when the brain becomes comfortable, speaking becomes easier. Step 2. Speak every day. Daily speaking practice is extremely important. Even 15 to 20 minutes every day can improve your fluency. Do not wait for the perfect partner. You can practice alone. Yes, alone. Stand in front of a mirror and speak. Talk about your day. For example, today I woke up at 7 a.m. I brushed my teeth and drank water. Then I had breakfast with my family. Now I am practicing English. This is called self-speaking practice, and it is very powerful. At first, you may make mistakes. That is completely normal. Remember, mistakes are proof that you are learning. Even native speakers make mistakes sometimes, so never stop speaking because of fear. Step 3. Learn common daily sentences. Many learners try to learn difficult words first, but fluent speakers mostly use simple sentences in daily life. So focus on common daily expressions. For example, how are you? What are you doing? I understand. I don't know. Can you help me? I am busy right now. That sounds great. I will try again. Practice these sentences again and again. Repeat them loudly. Use them in your daily life. The more familiar sentences you know, the faster you can speak naturally. Step 4. Listen to English every day. Good speaking comes from good listening. Children learn language by listening first. So if you want to speak English fluently, you must listen to English regularly. Listen to English conversations, podcasts, audiobooks, interviews, motivational speeches, English learning videos. And while listening, do not only hear the words. Pay attention to pronunciation, sentence structure, speaking speed, tone, and expression. This will improve your speaking style naturally. Even if you understand only 50%, keep listening. Day by day, your understanding will improve, and your speaking confidence will also grow. Step 5.
repeat what you hear. This method is very effective. It is called the listen and repeat method. Here is how you can practice. Listen to one short English sentence. Pause the audio, then repeat the same sentence loudly. Try to copy the pronunciation and speaking style. For example, audio says, "Today is a beautiful day." You repeat, "Today is a beautiful day," again and again. This method improves pronunciation, confidence, fluency, accent, speaking speed. Practice this daily for 20 minutes. You will notice amazing improvement. Step 6. Improve your vocabulary naturally. Vocabulary is important, but do not memorize hundreds of random words. Instead, learn useful words from daily life. For example, kitchen words, office words, travel words, shopping words, family words, school words. And most importantly, learn words with sentences. For example, instead of only learning the word hungry, learn "I am feeling hungry." Instead of only learning tired, learn "I am very tired today." This helps your brain remember words faster. Step 7. Stop being afraid of grammar. Many learners think, "My grammar is not perfect, so I cannot speak." This is a big mistake. Grammar is important, but communication is more important. Even simple English can create powerful communication. For example, instead of saying perfect complex sentences, say, "I want to improve my English." "I practice every day." "I enjoy learning English." Simple, but correct. Do not wait to become perfect before speaking. Start speaking first. Improvement will come automatically. Step 8. Speak slowly and clearly. Some learners try to speak very fast. Because of this, they become nervous and make more mistakes. Remember, fast speaking is not fluent speaking. Clear speaking is better. Speak slowly. Speak calmly. Speak confidently. Take small pauses if necessary. Confidence grows with practice, and slowly your speaking speed will improve naturally. Step 9. Practice with real situations. Try to imagine real-life situations. For example, talking in a restaurant, introducing yourself, buying something in a shop, talking with a friend, attending an interview. Then practice those conversations aloud. Example, "Hello, how can I help you?" "I would like to buy a shirt." "What color do you want?" "I want a blue one." This type of practice makes your English practical and useful. Step 10. Never give up. This is the most important step. Many learners quit too early. They practice for a few days, then stop because they do not see fast results. But remember, every small practice builds your future fluency. Even 1% improvement daily becomes huge over time. Fluent English is not magic. It is the result of daily effort. So keep practicing, keep speaking, keep learning. One day, you will speak English confidently and naturally, and that day will make you proud. Daily practice routine for fast improvement. Here is a simple daily routine you can follow. Morning. Think in English for 10 minutes. Afternoon. Learn 10 daily sentences. Evening. Listen to English audio or videos for 20 minutes. Night. Practice speaking in front of a mirror for 15 minutes. If you follow this routine regularly, your English speaking skill will improve much faster. Motivation for English learners. My dear friends, never think that you are weak. Never think that every fluent speaker was once a beginner. They also made mistakes. They also felt shy. They also struggled. But they continued practicing. And you can do the same. Believe in yourself. Your pronunciation will improve. Your confidence will improve. Your fluency will improve. Step by step, day by day. Just stay consistent. So, my dear friends, this brings us to the end of today's video.
I hope this lesson helps you improve your English speaking skills faster and more confidently. Always remember, speak every day, think in English, listen carefully, repeat regularly, and never fear mistakes, because every mistake is helping you become better. If you enjoyed this video and learned something valuable, please don't forget to like the video, comment your favorite learning tip, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to Smooth English Talks for more powerful English learning videos. Thank you so much for watching. Keep smiling, keep practicing, and keep speaking English with confidence. See you in the next video.